everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today is kind of one of those other things, not really barbecue. Today I received something that I purchased a couple days ago, and I'm hoping to really use it a lot. I think it has a lot of the features that I'm looking for, and it's waterproof. Has some neat wide angle stuff. So what did I get? I ordered the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now this is their bundle. I ordered this directly from GoPro. I think it was regular, I want to say $449, and it was $100 off, so $349 is what I paid. And it's got a few more. It's got like an extra battery and a couple other things. But the new GoPro Hero 8. So, as most of you know, I do most of my shooting either with, most of my shooting with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and every now and then I'll fly my drone up. I've used GoPros in the past, and one of the things that I found with them is the battery life and the microphone not that good. Supposedly this is an improvement on that. Plus it's all built into one. It's waterproof, so I don't need a second case. Let's take a look at what we got in this package for $349 from GoPro, and then we'll get into setting it up using the app and getting this thing charged up and take some footage with it. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this open and take a look at what accessories it comes with. This is supposed to have the little selfie stick thing, a headband, and then the extra battery and a 32 gigabyte memory card. So let's try to figure out how to open this thing up. Probably have to. Little zipper down here. Pull that up. See if that opens up the tab. Oh, there we go. All right. So we've got it out of the box now. Very nice. Now, this is supposed to have a super hyper smooth, so like if you're running and stuff, it doesn't shake as bad. The picture comes out clear. The videos I've seen of this thing, it's been awesome. So let's see, we've got the 32 gig memory card with little reader adapter. There's one battery. There's the second battery. That's your sync card or charging adapter. There's the headgear. It does come with one little type of cold shoe mount. And then this is obviously the selfie stick. And then you got the camera itself. Let's see if we can figure out how to get it off here. Oh, it's probably the same way as if you were to mount it on a holder like that. Very cool. Okay, and this does come off of here, like so. So you've got that one. This, of course, is what glues onto there. Then you put that back on, and this is just a cover for it. So yeah, and it comes with the manuals and stuff. They have a special GoPro Plus that you can sign up for, where you can download videos, and also you get replacements if you damage your camera and stuff, as long as you subscribe to it. And I think it's like $50 a month. So there's the camera right there. Of course, it's got a safety protector on it. To get to the battery door, I guess you pull that. Yeah, and that comes right off. just hooks on there. Like so. And then clamps back down. Your on-off button there. These also, what's kind of neat is that your holder is built into the bottom of it like that. And you can pull those up out of the way if you put it in another case. Yeah. So, right now, as you can see, it has no battery. There's your charging port. And your SD card goes inside here now. Yeah. Power on mode. And then, yeah, we'll have to play around with this as your new mic. Supposedly a really good mic on these now. So, probably have to charge up a battery, and we'll see what she does. Alright, so I'm going to go to my GoPro app. There it is. Okay. And it says, install a GoPro, leave, so let's go back, connecting your camera. Install GoPro app, we did that. Leave your camera on and follow instructions on the app. So what you want to do is we're going to hit plus a new camera. So it's searching for a new camera. We found your GoPro. Oh, and it shows the Hero 8 there. See if we can connect the camera. So now it's connecting to the camera. You want to pair it. It's actually powering off the phone. We're going to keep it as my Hero 8 camera right now. Save new name. We're going to set that like that. Your Hero 8 is ready. Let's go. So, control your GoPro from your phone. So we're going to try this. Join. So we're joining the Bluetooth Wi-Fi connection. It's probably Bluetooth to the actual, and there you go. You can see, and I'm going to pick up the camera here, going to give you an idea what it sees. Alright, I'm going to just set it up here in the middle and see what it looks like. So I'll just bring up this so you can see what it sees right now in wide angle. That's pretty cool. Alright. Beautiful. So I need to finish setting this up. Get it up. Checking to see it doesn't. Oh, it does. Right there it shows that it's only got 1 bar of battery. It's blinking actually. And we'll get this charged up, we'll get an SD card in it, and we'll take some footage. See how it does. We're back here in my little studio. I haven't quite gave it a name yet, but thought I would give you a quick update on my GoPro Hero 8. So you saw the video there of me taking some footage. A couple things that I bought for it. I bought this case for it. This is a aluminum case. What I saw online is they say that the lens is very fragile. So I bought this hard case to go around it. It's all open here, but it's like a protective case. Came with this nice big lens cover on it here. We'll unscrew that like so. And then I bought this arm, which I had to buy some cold shoe mounts also underneath here. So I had to buy this little 1/4-inch threaded adapter that has the arms that fit into the GoPro system, and then it fits into the cold shoe underneath this mount. I bought this extension arm that goes out and it's got these cold shoe mounts on it. This cover also comes with a cold shoe mount on top. I've got it pretty well protected. You can buy different, this is called a 52mm lens adapter, I guess. So you can buy filters for it and put it on it, which I plan on doing to maybe improve things. The only thing is with this one here that it came with, I used it underwater and water got in between here and the actual lens, and you had spots, you know, in your video. So can't recommend this unless you find a better way of sealing it so water can't get in there, and I'm not going to make it a permanent thing. So if I do underwater, I'll run it without the lens on it. But anyway, you got these nice mounts. So this is shotgun mic that I have that fits. I can put it up there, or I can put it over here, and then, you know, have it aimed whatever way you want. And then I'll get a light. I think I'll get a light and mount it up here, or you can mount it over here. So you got a little more, you know, if you're doing the vlogging thing, you can do that. Overall, I gotta tell you, I love this camera. The battery life has been really well. I went ahead and bought an off-brand battery charger with 2 more batteries, and the charger I can charge up 3 at a time. But the life of the battery has been running great. I had to order a mic adapter connector for this. This is for my old GoPro, and it just comes off right there. So let me see if I can do that real quick, just so you know I don't have to have this piece. I bought a new one of those that'll attach to the new style, and we'll see if that works. And then yeah, overall, love the quality of the pictures that are coming off of this. The night time lapse, I was seeing things that I didn't think, you know, the shooting stars, there's something in there. If you look closely at that video, there is something red almost near to the end of it that's sitting in the sky up there. I don't know what that is, but as it lightens up, it kind of disappears. Anyway, I love the GoPro 8. I love its abilities. The mic picks up on so many things. You really don't need this, I don't think. But in this case, there is a small hole down in there for the mic in this hard case. I'm impressed with this GoPro 8. I'm glad I bought it, and I see a lot of uses coming in with it. So stay tuned. I recommend it. I want to say thank you for watching. Hope it helped you a little bit. Helped me. I'm going to definitely get a lot of use out of this. So till next time, be safe.